Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Technics AZ80 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable or disable ADLC codec in your application. At first we have to open our application and now we have to go to the settings. Now we have to scroll idle down to connect, and here is connection mode. We have to click on it, and LDAC for headphones. We have to click on it and click OK. Now our LDAC will be enabled. Now, to disable that, we have to click on this option again. Now we have to click OK, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.